Okay, so now you should be able to see the VR showroom that I was talking about, and yeah, how that was used to get input from end users and involve the stakeholders in this hospital to have their say in the design. So as Esa mentioned in the beginning of the presentation, it is absolutely vital in these hospital projects that the spaces and the functionalities that the spaces reflect, that they are coordinated and well thought, because over the lifespan of a hospital it will save a huge amount of both time and money when your premises work as they are supposed to.
Yeah, 380 members of the personnel use the VR goggles, and that's a really good way to get the feedback and get the personnel involved in the end result, at least.